Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
At advanced levels of play, engine mismanagement can lead to some very quiet moments. And in this case, followed in about 5 minutes by some very exciting ones. So I'm here on Tactical Air War, flying a transport run, so I thought it a good opportunity to show you how to properly manage your engine temperatures. The principles of controlling temperature are the same in every aircraft. On the startup screen, go to your specifications tab for your aircraft. Scroll down to engine modes and it'll give you all the numbers you need. Real pilots would commit these numbers to memory, but to make it simple for the game, you can create a cockpit data card. In my complex engine management playlist, I have a tutorial on just how to do that. These are the identical numbers from the specifications tab. The two red gauges to the right of the card are controlled by the mixture. Full rich is less than 80, optimal, it says on the card, is 90, and if you lean it out too much, the temperature goes up too much. Below that, the two manifold gauges are controlled by the throttle, with maximum unlimited at 910, which is where it's set. Below that, the RPM shows 2700. The PE2 does not have a variable pitch propeller system, so you cannot change the RPM except with the throttle. The second pair of red gauges is the engine oil temperature, and these are adjusted by the red switches to the right hand side. Closing the radiator flaps, you'll see the temperature slowly start to increase. And below that are the two green water or coolant gauges. The radiator controls for those are the green knobs underneath the red knobs. And if we don't keep the temperatures within the parameters on the cockpit data card, we're going to overheat the engines. The first indication of this will be white smoke coming out of the engines behind you. Today it's winter, so it's cold outside, so I don't need to have the radiators open as much as I would on a hot summer's day. And also note, for winter operations you can overcool the engine and damage it as well. So when you're in a long dive, make sure that you've got your radiators closed and keep an eye on the temperatures. Another important engine control that you have is your supercharger. On the PE2, it's to be used above 2700 meters. Forgetting to turn off your supercharger below 2700 is going to result in engine damage. A much more important factor on more advanced aircraft like the P-47 or the Tempest. Alright, back to the matter at hand. From the cockpit data card, what minor changes do I need to make to have the temperatures at their optimal level? Memorize the numbers, manage your engines properly, and that will give you the peace of mind so that you can spend the rest of your time looking out the window for the bad guys. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.